Alright guys, so I am testing out a new setup. So I'm gonna go get some parts that I need. I'm gonna try to do an upgrade for the vlogs. So but yeah guys, let's see how this video comes out. So I have padding on the left side, on the regular mic going to the Hero. Hopefully the camera's straight on my view, so we'll see. Alright guys, let's get this going. Hopefully the audio is not too bad right now. I have the visor up, so it might be kind of shitty. If I close up the visor, it should be a little bit better, but I want to test out the audio when the visor's up and down. So I want to see if the GoPro can handle this noise and the my external recorder. So hopefully we'll see how that goes. So right now my setup, I have a purple Panda on my left cheek, connected straight to the adapter to the GoPro, and on my right cheek I have the Sony mic connected straight to my Tascam DR-05. Right now the settings are kind of low, so it shouldn't be peaked, hopefully. So the problem that I'm having on this setup, I'm getting rumble noises from the wind hitting the helmet. So if you see one of my recent videos, not the ones with the hold on, so I'm closing up the visor. So not one of the videos about cleaning, uninstalling, installing the rims, the Motovlogs. If you hear one of them, actually this one right here, the testing out the breaking in the tires, you should be able to hear the rumble noise, the wind hitting the helmet. It's kind of distracting and just loud. I tried to edit it on my editing software, but it's just way too loud, and if I edit it my voice comes out weird. So right now on the left side, like I said, I have the purple Panda with actual, I cut up a dead cat, so I kind of double-sided taped it to the inside of the helmet with the furry coming out towards the mic, and I had another layer over it, so kind of wrapped it around it, so kind of cushioned it from away from the helmet, so the mic should be closer to my cheek. And hold on, so yeah, the mic should be closer towards the padding, away from the helmet, so it shouldn't have the rumble noise. So like right now I'm going at at least like a highway speed, so usually by now you hear the rumble noise. And the other and I'm testing the other side with the external recorder, with the Sony mic, actual no dead cat around it. There's nothing protecting it, it's just literally next to my jawline, actually closer towards my ear. There might be wind hitting it, we'll see, because I feel the wind coming up from the bottom of my helmet. Let me close up the vents on top. Sounds like nothing has changed. So we'll see, because I don't want to close up my top vents because it does get hot. I do have the front vent closed, so that one's like closer to the mics, so that one for sure. But the ones on top, I really don't need them closed. Alright guys, so I am stopping at Menards here. I need to get a bolt. So like I was saying, I want to change up the vlogs. At least I have another camera facing me. I'm thinking about putting it around this area, so facing me. I'm trying to figure out where, maybe around the rear view mirror, maybe by the handlebars. We'll see. But I have an adapter, not an adapter, but a bracket that I bought a while ago, and I want to see how that setup looks like. So I'm gonna put this up and see how it is. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead inside and try to find a bolt for this, because I'm thinking about setting it up around here. I'll show you guys when I come out, and hopefully they have the part. If not, probably will be by Home Depot. We'll see. Alright guys, so I just got out. Menards had to actually go back inside because I needed washers. So guys, comment down below if you see something different on the bike right now. If you know what it is, perfect. If you don't, just comment at the bottom what it is. Woo. But yeah guys, you'll be able to see it. It's not too difficult where it is. But yeah, you can see it. It's right here. An attachment. So I had this piece for a while. I needed a bolt. A lot of people don't know that right above the actual clamp, where the clutch and brakes are, there's actually a cover that hides threading. I think it was like an old style that used to have, you could remove these and put like bar end mirrors here, not bar end mirrors, but like bar mirrors here. But yeah, if you remove like a little cap, and there's threading. So for that, it's going to be a 10mm threading. Actually no, a 10mm with threading of 1.25. So that's a fine thread. So at the same time, because the length of this was 20mm, was a bit too long, I had to get spacers. So the spacers here are stainless steel. Yeah, so they're stainless steel, but the bolt itself, it's a zinc plated. I was looking for a black one. They did have one, but it won't fit on here. There's the thread on there. It's like a 1.50, so it's a coarse thread. It won't fit on here. And the length was perfect too on the other one. It was a 16mm, so it would have been fine. I wouldn't need any spacers. But yeah, but this one I needed spacers on there to make it fit. So that'll be perfect for actual second view, for you guys to watch me speak to you. So I can just flip back and forth from watching the road and flip it to the second camera watching me. So I try to improve the videos, to improve the quality, and hopefully, even the setup right now, hopefully this comes out perfect. Like I said, I'm testing out two separate audios. One is gonna be from the GoPro. It has extra padding and everything. So like literally there's like dead cat hair by my mouth, and it's like literally going into my mouth. I might have to like cut it up a little bit, like small little hairs. and on the right side I have the Sony mic connected to my external recorder. That one doesn't have no cover, but it is located closer towards the padding, so the wind shouldn't be hitting it, and it's closer to my like ear canal or ears, so it should get some good audio, and even the outside. Hopefully I'm trying to prevent the rumble noise that I've been getting on my other videos I've been vlogging. I'll probably put a couple of clips here and there to show you the rumble noise that I'm talking about. But yeah guys, so thanks for watching. So hopefully you like this content that in the future that I'm gonna be producing with a second camera here. But yeah, this is the pieces I was trying to find. The bolt, I might paint that black to like at least match the bike and not actually stick out, or maybe I'll just put it red. But alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, helps a lot. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.